by Happy Bail Bonds. Crime Busters. A reminder that language on the following program, because of the sensitive, expressive, well shit, downright filthy nature, has been strictly edited.
You best be careful where you tread on this dark night. You don't know who you will run into. Creatures and creepy crawlies lurk out from every shadow. Why, I was just hiding in your closet with the other skeletons. Perhaps we let them all out for some fun.
What's happening, girlies? Welcome to Fright Night Theater, ghoulies. Thank you so much for joining us and subscribing to our little channel here. I apologize that it has been a minute since we last posted an episode.
Poor shit.
I was trying to do the 61 Nights of Fright shorts. That didn't work out quite the way I envisioned it in my brain, so I had to regroup.
Damn enchiladas.
Tonight, ghoulies, we're gonna have some fun. We'll be making a little cocktail, having a movie-themed snack, and watching the Microwave Massacre. This is another one of Megger's picks for Fright Night Theater. So we are very excited to watch it tonight, and we'll be heading into the kitchen now to find out what kind of a cocktail and snack we'll be having along with our movie. Now, I believe we found the Microwave Massacre one night when we were scrolling through videos trying to find a good movie to put on the channel, and Meggers immediately jumped on this one.
I will make a fool of you. Top that.
Dun, 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 dun. What's happening, Meggers? Nerfing, it's time for some Fright Night Theater.
Oh, Jesus, God damn it!
What are we watching tonight?
We are watching Microwave Massacre.
A what? A what?
Microwave?
Microwave.
It's the Microwave Massacre. What is the Microwave Massacre?
Honestly, I have no idea. I just saw it scrolling through the, the thing, TV thing.
What I understand, Microwave or Microwave Massacre is about some cannibalism, some cannibals.
So, apparently, it's called a French whore,
A French whore.
which is really just raspberry liqueur, vodka, and pineapple juice. We decided to try it with just getting the raspberry vodka, cut out the liqueur. Cut out the liqueur. Just get the raspberry vodka.
Cut out the middleman.
Just cut out the middleman. And then pineapple juice. And then just for fun and shits and giggles, we are gonna add a little bit of blue curacao.
Carousel?
Sriracha.
Sriracha. Blue sriracha. Blue sriracha.
To see what that tastes like.
Okay. So in the movie, there is a line apparently that is spoken by one of the actors that says, "I'm so hungry, I could eat a whore."
Hungry? I could eat a whore.
Hence the drink. And then what will we be having for our cannibalism Microwave Massacre snack?
So, couldn't really think of anything crazy
I mean, it's
to go
obvious.
with the movie, so we
obvious.
thought, it's microwave. Obviously, they're doing something with a microwave. So we're just gonna do microwave dinners.
Right on.
Have to cook a few more minutes. I'll call you when it's time to carve.
So there you have it, ghoulies, for Microwave Massacre. Tonight we'll be having the French horror cocktail and microwave dinners. Now this fun fact for you here, ghoulies. Here's our microwave and this, and then, so here's the plug that we use, but it broke! So now we have to you know, do this whole thing, wire it across the... Most likely will at some point in time explode, so if the episode just kind of cuts off...
That's what you get when you buy a house that's over 100 years old. Don't buy old houses, kids. They suck.
Our house is older than the Overlook Hotel.
Yeah.
One shot of the blue sriracha. So admittedly, the drink is a little bit similar to the zombie apocalypse drink that we made back when we watched
The zombie apocalypse would be good for you and I.
that movie. But there's just a few differences and it has a different flavor to it, so it's still gonna be pretty good, I think.
Only because we added the blue sriracha, which is not in the original recipe. Otherwise it would just be yellow because it would be pineapple, so it would look...
Whorish.
Right. It's delightful.
You know, I think I'm just a fan of the blue sriracha. All right, ghoulies, we've got our French horror
I'm so hungry. I could eat a whore.
cocktail, and now we are going to prepare our microwave dinners for our massacre.
I have chosen Stouffer's macaroni and cheese with broccoli.
How we survived all that horrible food until I decided to do something about my cuisine.
So Makers here is a little bit upset that the microwave dinner is going to take 6 minutes.
It's too long.
So you see what I have to deal with here.
I want instant.
Instant Pot.
Like Star Trek instant food.
Start. That's it, though. And the best part here is I don't have to go down into the dungeons to fight Jerry Dandridge. I can just sit here and drink while it's getting microwaved. This goddamn cord. You think at some point in time the microwave's gonna kill us?
That's its plan. We always have issues on that wall with that microwave.
Maybe we're gonna have our own microwave massacre. Real quick, ghoulies, here is what the French whore looks like without the blue sriracha in it. This is just the pineapple juice and the raspberry vodka. The microwave's massacring us!
Some smack, and I just want you to know that I've been taking taekwondo lessons in the back of the Walmart Super Center. So if you don't want to get hurt, then you better stop.
Alright, ghoulies, the Microwave Massacre is available for streaming on Tubi, so you can check it out there, and, well, here we go, Megers. This is a Megers pick, so we are in for a treat. Is that a microwave? Oh, it's Jackie Vernon. It's Frosty the Snowman from the old cartoon from when we were kids. Well, we got boobs and butts right in the beginning of the movie. Comment. Am I wrong? Boobs and butts. They need to be in the scary movies. Boobs, butts. It's the BBs. Stepped on a bee. Well, so far the opening scene here is just this chick walking around with her boobs and butt, and that's it. That's all we got. But okay, what in the?
Well, you can get ready for a feast.
That is a microwave?
I don't know how we survived all that horrible food until I decided to do something about my cuisine. We're much better off now, though. Even better.
That is the largest microwave I've ever seen.
I have no thoughts. I don't even know what's happening. There's nothing going on right now.
Nothing. It's just weird.
And it's blowing you all over the place. Hi there, fellas.
What? Okay.
Hey, what do you call that thing?
It's a crab.
I don't want to have to talk to every jerk that comes in here with a sad story.
What? What is she doing? What are they doing? What is he doing? What are we doing? Okay.
70 strip clubs. Oh.
Hemorrhoids.
Hemorrhoids. Now we're talking about hemorrhoids. I don't know what's happening.
My hemorrhoids.
What?
That's why I had to take this job standing up. Did I ever tell you about my hemorrhoids? They get really bad when it's humid, you know.
What? He's telling the guy that his hemorrhoids get really bad when it's humid. This is the long. What? This is the longest. There's so many lamps. Oh my god. Why are there so many lamps? Get this lady in her lamps and Jerry Dandridge in his clocks. And there's, guys, this movie has nothing but sex in it. It's like a small What? Yeah. I can't.
Oh, you.
Oh, it's you. There is something about the movies that Meggers picks that are just
You better get ready for dinner.
special.
You better be here when the microwave rings.
Enough's enough.
It has to cook a few more minutes. I'll call you when it's time to carve.
What? It's the newspaper. The guy here is having visions of, I guess, murdering his wife because of the microwave. She mentioned it and just made him angry, which
So sit down. You waiting for it to cool off?
This movie's so weird. Watch it. And there's the microwave dinner. Oh, it's one. They got a split one. Oh my god.
Oh.
What the?
Holy cow.
What?
What kind of atmosphere is this?
Oh my god.
When I said your food belonged in hell,
What is... Okay. And the guy is talking like this the whole movie. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah, man. It was kind of like this the whole time. You can't take a whole sentence.
Mood might give you ideas.
Oh, no.
I got an idea, all right.
Yeah.
But I think it's against the law.
Ah. So the guy just told us that he hasn't been romantic with his wife since the spring of 1962.
Attractive.
And now she's shaking her boobs.
I didn't attend the Braille Institute.
So I'm guessing that the husband's general complaint here in the movie is that he's not attracted to his wife since 1962, and all he eats is microwave dinners, and he's just really upset about all this. So then at work, he's like surrounded by sex and just, I guess, good food. I don't know. He's eating crab sandwiches. I don't know what's really going on. Meggers, what do you...
know if I've told you once, I've told you a million, billion, trillion times. Don't do that, you son of a bitch. You know what makes me break out in a rash?
A rash? What the fuck?
None of this makes any sense to me right now. At all.
What?
Come on, lady. You're only crossing the street, not the Great Plains.
Home and tell her that.
The lead guy kind of looks like Dark Hearts.
What?
What is happening? I don't know what's going on. Like, he took the vacuum cleaner bag and he's throwing it all over the house. He wanted to make it look like a pigsty. And now he's humping a statue. Ghoulies, we are in the Twilight Zone.
There is something bothering you, isn't there?
You know, May.
He's pissing in the freaking flowers.
Oh, you won't answer for that, you moron, because I'll kill you first.
What? What?
From now on.
Did he just break the fourth wall?
Oh my God!
What?
I don't appreciate that.
No. What? Salt. Well, because you know it's bad luck if you spill the salt, you gotta toss them over your shoulder and. Yeah.
You know.
So he wakes up in the morning and I don't think that he recalls killing his wife.
Oh, I'm starving. Maybe it's something in the microwave.
Maybe.
It's in the microwave. May.
Oh.
It's in the microwave.
Oh, God.
So bad.
That's the way she would have wanted to go. But she hasn't gone yet.
So he's gonna cook her on a slow broil. So there you have it. He kills his wife and cooks her in the microwave. So the microwave massacre has begun. What is like he's sawing her up? What? What?
Close. What a heads up play.
Oh. Putting May in the fridge.
And now, a special program brought to you by Activate. Right, listeners. Expressive, well
I
shit,
don't
downright
know,
filthy
man.
nature
Come
has
on.
Special program brought to you by Acme Bail Bonds. Special program brought to you by Acme Bail Bonds. Good evening. This is Dodge Chaser, and you're welcome. He has a perfect crime. Mr. Lewis.
What? Ghoulies, look, this guy is sitting here and he's got his, like, a hole in his fly. What is going on? Ah. So now they're just all sitting around the construction site eating May.
Hey!
Eating his wife.
This is fantastic.
And it's fantastic.
I've never tasted anything like it.
That's right. So now basically what he's doing is he has gained the idea that people are enjoying his wife's meat. So now he's trying to find new and inventive ways to prepare her.
Oh, I never. I mean, at least not in a long time. Oh, wow. You and me. I wouldn't know what to do with a beautiful young girl like you. Oh,
I don't give lessons.
it starts coming back to me.
That was an actual conversation. That was a scripted
Hey, I
conversation.
think I found something. I haven't had one of these since 1962.
Okay. Apparently this guy hasn't done much of anything since 1962. So he killed the hooker in the bar, and now he's going to, of course, eat her up in the literal. He's gonna chop her up and eat her. So here we go.
I'm so hungry. I could eat a whore.
There it is. So basically now he's just killing people and packing their meat in the freezer and eating them and serving them to his friends while they hang out, and they just love his food. What the hell? Oh my god. Guys, I don't even know what's happening now. Yeah, now he's having relations with the chicken. What?
I really don't know where to begin, Doc. I've always been sort of a normal fella, you know, just an ordinary Joe. Now, let's see what we've brought here.
Okay. And now it appears he's having a heart attack.
Hey, I've got something really special planned. I gotta go down to Chinatown and pick it up after my afternoon nip.
All right, give us a hint, Flint.
Let's just call it Peking Chick.
Wow, you mean Peking duck, don't you?
No, I mean Peking Chick.
Peking chick.
Sleeping.
Oh, but there's the lovely food in the huge-ass microwave.
I so see it, but I so don't believe it.
Oh, God. I don't even know what to say, ghoulies. Okay. Well, there it is. Look at these weird-ass credits. Well, there you have it, ghoulies. There was the Microwave Massacre on Fright Night Theater. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you watched the movie and what drink and snack you made with it. I can't honestly tell you what I've watched. Yeah, it's a movie about a guy who kills people, eats them, dies, and that's it. That's it. Megar's pick, she's out, fell asleep, down for the count. So I'm here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, ghoulies. Make sure you hit the subscribe link so you don't miss our next episode of Fright Night Theater. And until then, we'll see you later, ghoulies.